Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can block someone over on Discord. So if you want to block someone on Discord, then the first thing you need to do is open the Discord app just like this. And basically, in order to block someone, you can either choose a conversation you are having. However, you can also just choose someone you want to block over from a Discord server. So here I have a lot of people in a chat. So let's say I want to block this person. Then literally all you need to do is go to their profile picture, just like this, basically popping up their profile. And this can also be done with a conversation. And once you've done that, simply head over to the top right corner of the screen at those three little dots. And then right here you find block, where you can click on, and then that person has basically been blocked. When I right now go to the bottom right corner of my screen, in my profile picture, head over to the top right corner of my screen at that settings icon, click on account, and click on blocked users. We can right now see that I've blocked one user. That's all we need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.